Hey, this is Brent from Pathways Financial Credit Union coming at you with today's Personal Financial Minute. Whether you're at the car dealership or looking for a new home, knowing how to negotiate can really help you make the most of your investment. If you do it right, you can strike a great deal, but you also get a better product. Let me show you what I mean. Start with research. Don't make the assumption you can walk in and automatically get the person you're dealing with and knock an extra 10% off the price. A lot of expensive things like cars and houses no longer come with automatic price discounts if you ask, so we're going to make more than the sticker price. But if you research recent sales, you'll know what to expect and where you can save. Secondly, stay flexible on your options. Think about it this way. If you're lost in the desert, you'll pay anything for a bottle of water, right? When you don't need something, you have room to negotiate. The more you show that you have options, the more likely the seller will recognize that the sale is more important to them than it is to you. And lastly, look for a scenario in which everybody wins. Yes, finding a great deal feels awesome, but not if it requires putting the other person in a bad situation. Negotiate on terms, time frames, heck, see if they'll even throw in tickets to the big game if they have great seats. Figure out what is important to you and not as important to them. Good luck, and don't be afraid to walk away if you don't like the deal. There's always another chance. Thank you so much for watching. We're on a mission to bring helpful advice to our community. If you like this video, please consider pressing that like button, subscribing to our channel, and then hitting the notification bell to stay up to date on future videos. It really helps us out.